Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your search history on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your search history on your Android phone, first open up your preferred browser on which you want to delete your search history. Let's open it. For me it will be the Google Chrome. And when after opening your preferred browser, tap on the three dotted icon available on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see the history option available over here just below the new incognito tab option. Tap on history, and after that you can see the clear browsing data option available over here. Tap on clear browsing data like this, and tap on clear again, and again clear. And there guys, we have successfully wiped out our browsing data or search history from our Google Chrome on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.